Hi everyone, I'm Christy and welcome to my channel. So in my last video, I mentioned that I hired a home inspector and that I would be sharing that in the next update. I promise that is coming. However, I want to make sure that I share absolutely everything, and I want you to be able to see it in the order as it happens, so you truly have an accurate picture of the building process step by step. So in this video, you'll see that the electricity has been now roughed in. And this is a pretty short video, but you'll be able to see all of the outlets, the light switches, and the circuit panel, as well as all of the wiring throughout the house. And here on the kitchen walls, you can see where some of the outlets have been placed. Also, there's the light switch by the door. There's more outlets, light switches, and an abundance of wiring. This builder also hardwires the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, so those were wired in as well. From what I understand, most builders now do hardwire the detectors, so that's something you'll see often. Now along the dining room walls, actually all of the walls in the home, you'll be able to see the wiring. This is the other side of the wall. On the back side is where the refrigerator will be, and you can also see the outlets there. Now here in the great room, you can see where the ceiling fan and the lights will go. And in the kitchen, those are where the ceiling lights and also where the two pendant lights will go. Now this is upstairs, and you can see even more wiring, more outlets, and exactly how everything has been roughed in the walls. Now downstairs in the garage is where the circuit panel is actually located. In the South, we also refer to this as the breaker box. And here is that breaker box. Again, it's located in the garage, and you can see all of the wires that go up into the ceiling and upstairs and downstairs. You can also see up there where the garage door openers and the lights will go. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next update. See you soon.